All right. Good morning, guys. All right. Excuse me. So let's see what we have here. So, uh, we just formed, let's see here too. EMA. Let's see if so this one is a little bit too low. So I'm not gonna take that. It is a good trade like this buy right here, but we are not in it's literally below the demand zone, 62. And also we just had the rejection. Yeah, so six. Oh, wait. Mm. All right, so still still waiting. Yeah, so this one, it hasn't reached the 10 point yet. And also, I think we've already created a crossover, I think. But anyway, let's just wait for another entry. Um, there might be an order block rejection scalp somewhere. Let me see here. I want to take it 34, 24.4. Should be an order block rejection scalp here. Yeah. So let's see. Mhm. So this one right here. Right. So this is an order block rejection scalp. All right. So I'm in that trade. Let's see. It's a little tricky. So the order block ones are, um, let's see what I want to enter. And also looking for the 5 second entry. So the 5 second entry, right? That's the one we use as the official trade. Might get stopped out on this one. I'm still waiting for the, okay, so I got stopped out of that one. We also had the pre-market low. So, let's see, give me a moment here. We have the pre-market low, 906. Okay, so I'll take another entry on US 30 here for the pre-market high and low. So I mean, an entry. So this one got stopped out. Um, and keep in mind the 5 second entry hasn't shown up yet, but I mean this trade and looking for the 5 second entry. So we just touched the pre-market low and we also had an order block. And also still waiting for the 5 second entry. So we need a green X. Okay. Mm. So 5 second entry hasn't come up yet. Still waiting. You might get it here. Okay, there. So there's the 5 second entry. So this one is a 1:1 risk to reward. So 20 points stop loss, 20 points TP. So this is the 5 second entry for the order block scalp and order block rejection scalp, and also the pre-market high and low, because you see we tested the pre-market entry here, right? Today's pre-market low. So we're expecting a rejection from it. So let's see. Okay. So full TP uh on that 5 second entry, right? Or did I get slipped? Let me see. Okay. So we should get a big spike here. I think I got slipped by price, so I'm still in the position and it should be trailing my stop loss anytime now. Okay, perfect. There it is. So full TP, right there for the 5 second. So I got stopped out on this first one, the 10-point one, but I entered the 10 point for the pre-market low right there. So full TP on both trades, but we're only counting the 5 second one just from now. I'm sorry, for the live session. Um, so this is an X here. There was no trading yesterday. So 0.75 gain. Okay. Everything's looking good so far. Yep, logged in 2,300 on one account. My other account logged in 3,400. So that's good. So let me see. The entry for this was 41,887. So that's the pre-market. So this is that pre-market low, 41,887. And we also had another order block down there. So it's like it. So this was that trade. Okay. C 83. There was also another order block rejection scalp there. All right, so let's see if we can get another trade. Um, Probably EMA. So let's see where we are at with the EMAs. So we've retested all EMAs, and you can see we've retested, yeah, all of these EMAs here have been retested, if I'm not wrong. Yeah. So let's see what other trade we can get. All right. So those are the trades right there. So this is that 5 second entry, and then this is the other account that I lost the first trade I entered. I think what was it? It was order block rejection scalp, so took that loss, but then entered on the 10 point entry for the pre-market low, and then that trade won. So let's see. Hopefully we can get something else. Based off of the way price is pushing up, I would probably expect a 15-minute SAR buy. The last time we formed it was at 7:30 this morning, so we might get we might get another one. So for the EMAs, I don't know. I don't think we have a, yeah. So this would have been a 15-minute EMA to retest, but you can see we're just in a demand zone here, so we don't even have any supply. So currently, most of the trades we would probably get right now would be buys, um, because price is pretty much in demand zones. All right. See. Think the only other possible entry is this monthly sell area right here. So probably something like this. Um, Um, so let's just keep waiting. What time is it? So it's not even 10 yet. So hopefully we get maybe a push to the downside so that we can ride price back up. But uh, yeah, price is pretty much in a consolidation right now. Mm. Let's see. 30 minutes hourly. And then I have to drop off at 10:30-ish, so I'll stick around for maybe 10 or so more minutes or 15. But right now, pretty much the market is died down. So unless something major happens, I don't think we'll get any other trade during the live session. All right, guys. I really don't see anything much happening, so we'll just call it a day and just get back tomorrow. Yeah, so we should be able to have a live session tomorrow. Yeah, so the market is just a little slow right now, and I have to drop off because I have something at 10:30, but yeah, I really don't see anything worth taking. Yeah. Um unless let's see. There might be um 4202. Hmm. Yeah. Let's see. Here we can have another I'm sorry, order block rejection scalp. Again, order block rejection scalps are not, they don't have too much of a win rate. But beginning next month, I'll not be trading them because they are kind of like break even or something, so they don't have the best win rate. Um, let's see. So this is market opened here, 9:30. Okay. And zones, perfect. So I'll put an alert at 58, 68, 68, and it's going to coincide with this 30-minute rejection area or SAR. Okay, so we want price to get up here first. We don't want to see a crossover. Let's see. Okay, so the 10-point entry is here. So that's the 10-point entry. I'm waiting for the 5-second entry. So I'm in this with the 10-point entry. Um, we also have we also have a 15-minute SAR that just printed somewhere at the top here. So that might be one to maybe wait for, but we have a 15-minute SAR right there. And also waiting for the 5-second entry. Let's see. Um, so keep an eye out on that 15-minute SAR that's at the top there. So I think that's probably where price is going. So remember the 15-minute SARs that are created after market open, price normally moves back all the way back down. So I think that's where it's gonna go. So hopefully not, so that I don't get stopped out. But I think that's where price is being attracted to right now. Might get stopped out on this one. Let's see. Still waiting on the 5 second. What time is it? 22. I think the 5 second will be somewhere here. We just need a push down. So there's the X. So we need that red X to close. Okay, perfect. So there's the 5 second entry. So it's also good we have this weekly sell here. So yeah, so this entry was a good one or is a good one. And I think we should hit TP here, at least on the 5 second entry. So there it is. Almost there. Okay. I got slipped up. My trailing stop just activated and I'm out of the trade. So another win there. My 10 point is still running. But keep in mind we have a 15-minute above there, so price can easily go back up there first before coming back down. But anyway, so another 0.75 win, so a nice 1.5% day today. So the 5 second one was 42,077. This was based off of order block. Is it, I think? Yeah. Mhm. Look this for my journal. So the 15-minute is up here. And it also has an order block. So I, I think mostly what will happen is something like this all the way back down. And you can see US 30, we are below all of this EMAs. So US 30 is definitely, it's definitely bearish. So I think maybe they might be coming up here, which would mean I think I got stopped out on the 10.1. So there's still a 15-minute SAR right here. So 95, this would be at 105.2. So this would be the entry of 95. Actually, I'm still in this other trade. I think I had a better entry or something, but I think I'll get stopped out on the 10.1. So I'm actually still in the 10 point, but I think price is gonna come up here. So this is the area for the 15-minute rejection scalp, SAR rejection scalp. Okay, I actually now did get stopped out of that one. 27. All right. The sell entry will be at 42,105. I have to drop off. The sell entry is at 42,105 for the 10-point entry. And then, of course, when price gets to 42,105, the 5-second entry would be after that. But you want to make sure that once we touch that SAR, the SAR is at 42,095. So we don't want to see, let me see if price is gonna get here before I have to drop off. The SAR is right there. So when price reaches 42,095, you don't want to see a rejection just as of yet on that line. So you want price to come to your 10 points first, tag you in, or even wait for a 5-second entry after that. So I don't think price will get here before I have to drop off, but yeah, 42,105 is the sell entry. But when price gets to 42,095, you don't want to see any rejection from that zone. Yeah, but other than that, I will see you guys